Hello guys, you are watching Technical Learners. In the previous video, we learned how to create a 3D brand logo using AI for free. I will put the link in the description box. If you want to watch that amazing video, you can check out that one. Today, we are going to learn how we can edit the logo using Canva.com for free and turned into a high-quality logo. Here is the logo we generated in the previous video using AI, so let's get in. First, let's head over to Canva.com and sign up for free. I'm going to use my Google account, so let me select this and choose my account. And once you've signed in, click on Create a Design and select Logo. And here we can upload our logo and start customizing it. Click Upload Files. Select your logo and click Open. Now click on the logo and it'll appear here. Let's make our logo cover the entire canvas. Just right-click and click the Set Image as Background. All right, next, let's hide this text. Go to Elements and select the rectangle shape. Now place it over the text. And match the color of the background using the color picker. Next, let's add our brand name. To do that, go to Text and select the text style that will suit your logo. I am going to choose this one. Now adjust the font frame. And let's type our brand name. Now to change this text color, just click on it. Now go here and choose the color you want. And our logo is ready. To download it, click on Share. Here select PNG and click Download. And the logo will be downloaded to your computer. Canva doesn't allow high-quality downloads in the free plan, but as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to create a high-quality logo for free. So now we're going to convert this into a high-quality logo without spending any money. Let's go to vectorizer.ai. This tool can convert our PNG logo into a high-quality image format. Just click here and select the logo you downloaded. And within seconds, you have a high-quality logo. The quality difference is remarkable. All right, now you can click the download button, and if you scroll down, you will find more options to download what you want. Here it is, your edited high-quality logo is ready. You can edit your logo using Canva and convert using Vectorizer. That's it, guys. We have an incredibly edited high-quality logo just using free tools. If you're looking for more amazing tools like this one, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And tell me your valuable suggestions in the comment section. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.